I'm Carrie Obedzinski, Senior Sales Manager at Times Microwave Systems, and welcome to Real Times, our vlog where we talk about industry trends, new products, and everything coax. Today I have Dave Slack with us, our Director of Engineering, and we're going to talk about Levitate in a little bit different setting, which is kind of fun. We're usually in our little chairs in front of the reels, right? So this is more what you would see if we were at a trade show, which you'll be able to see Levitate at pretty much every trade show we're at this year. And but Dave's going to do a little demo for us with Levitate. We talked about Levitate in the previous episode, but what is Levitate? You want to give us a quick synopsis of the product?
So Levitate is an in-between product, in between standard grade avionics cables and the high-end military EW cables. We recommend it. We realized it with the UAV markets and things like that, with the massive expansion of the applications of these products, that they needed something that was truly flight grade, reliable, installable, but lightweight. Super lightweight. Weight is so important to these things. So we developed a product specifically for the UAV market.
And we're one of the only companies we know of right now that's developing something specific for the UAV market. Most people are just using those two products that you talked about, the high-end Miltech or the low-end, don't want to say low-end, sorry, or the basic RG cables, right?
We are the only company, as far as I know, we are the first, but we recognize our customers have a need, and that's kind of our job is to help.
That's what we do. That's Times.
We solve problems. So what I have here is a sample of our a 160 diameter Miltech product, which is our high-end mil-aero grade product, one of the best products on the market.
In most of the aircraft out there, right?
And I have a Levitate product of the same diameter. And what we've done here is it's actually the Levitate.
Wow.
Is actually, for an equivalent size, it's actually about 10% lighter. It's 25% lower in loss, 10% lighter than our flagship military aerospace grade product. And that's why we're very excited about this product. You couple it with some very lightweight aluminum connectors that we put on here, which are lighter than the steel connectors that would go on an aerospace grade connector, and it's got a super lightweight assembly profile.
Yeah, we're still low loss, right?
It's the lightest product per unit of loss on the market anywhere, as far as I know. So we're pretty excited about the product.
And you can get it anywhere. Any of our distributors will be carrying it, as well as you can come to us for solutions, right?
It's going to be sold in 5 sizes, 3 sizes. The 3 smaller sizes, the 047, 086, 141, are meant to be kind of within an avionics box. And some of these UAVs that we're targeting are actually they're actually electronics boxes with wings themselves. So space and routing is just absolutely critical. So the products are designed to fit where there's very little space to route through intricate routings behind circuit boards and behind motherboards and up through harnesses. The connectors are designed to bend immediately behind the connectors for maximum utility of available volume inside the box. And that's the 3 smaller grades, are kind of in the electronic boxes products. The 2 larger sizes are meant for larger spans, to go to sensors that might be out on the wings, that might be a little longer runs. And that's where the lightest weight per unit of loss comes in. Because to get low loss, usually it's larger. So we've taken all the weight possible out of this by using lightweight metals, lightweight materials, taking all those things out of there. And we've been able to maintain low loss. So we've got those 2 categories.
You've got all kinds of great marketing stuff here too, right? Brand new brochure. There's going to be a landing page on our website. I love the little demo here. Can I do it?
Yeah.
Right? See if I can get it to go. Oh, gotta love that. Love the noise. Sorry.
That's a Levitate 086 complete with connectors. Fantastic. Out the door. Just very lightweight.
Love it.
Great product.
Thank you for coming
You're
and
welcome.
talking to us about Levitate. I can see you're excited. I hope the market's just as excited, and I know I'm excited to sell it. So thanks again for being here, Dave. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at realtimes@timesmicro.com. That's REEL. And until then, stay real.